We are live. Let's get into the back testing session, mate. Hold on. All right. So last weekend I did one of these and I got like 1,000 views, which is crazy. It got 1,000 views, like not like while I was live, but like people watched it after. Because I'm pretty sure people just fuck with transparency and transparent backtesting. Because a lot of people backtest, a lot of people don't show how they backtest and what it's like and how it gets emotional. But I wanna be that guy. You know what I'm saying? I want to be that guy. I want to be that guy. All right. Let's start the backtesting session. Okay, so this is the one that I started last stream, last weekend. I was at like a 72% win rate, 1.2 R, 30 trades taken. What year was it? 2020. Okay, so let's get right back into it. All right. Damn, my coffee's hot. All right, boys. Let's see. What are we seeing here? What is this time frame? What are we looking at? What do I see? So let's see what the daily looks like. Kind of choppy on the daily. I mean, we have so we have S&T at these daily lows. That's kind of good. That's a good confluence to the upside, but we already made the move higher. Honestly, I kind of want to see lower just because if we zoom in here, we did inverse this 4-hour bullshit value gap, and now it's actually reinversing it. So I don't really know. That looks like a potential draw on liquidity. That's definitely because it's Asia high. Yeah, look, you want to see is just place here, but I don't know if we're gonna get an entry. Okay, no entry, but if we can take something because we never got a retracement, bro. We didn't get we barely retraced here, but that's not a good confirmation at all. I'd want to wait till we're higher up. Well, okay, so we're just obviously continuing higher today. This unfilled gap down up here is probably gonna just want to get filled at this point. So I like how we're holding this gap, 2 minute gap right here. This could be a good long right here off of this 2 minute gap holding. We have the highs up here. That's also the unfilled gap. Retraced into this gap and respected it. So logically, we should continue higher here. So that's my continuation model. Bang, bang, bang. Let's see if we have a break even here. I'm just going to zoom in. Did we hit this already? We probably already hit this. This could have been break even. So I think we did already hit it. So I'll go break even right here. Okay. Yeah, I'll go break even at this high right here. Okay, boom. Break even there. Bang, bang. Sniper. Okay, that was 10 a.m. open. Right to the drawn liquidity, which was the unfilled 4 gap, which is always a good. Oh, what the fuck? Unfilled high time frame gaps are always great. Yeah, man. Super mad about that. I don't even want it, bro. Alpha banned me, and Topset banned me. Yeah. Super annoying. That's all right though. Bro, yeah, I'm honestly suffering because of that shit, bro. Like truly suffering because of that. But I had 3 accounts that were pretty much passed, and I was going crazy. I was on a crazy win streak. Not like I wasn't on a crazy win streak, but I was just doing really well. And it makes sense that they banned me because I am personally underage. But I was doing it under like my mom's name, and they somehow found out. I don't know. I think it's because they like saw me when I was trying to do the KYC thing. But yeah, it was pretty annoying. really frustrating. Okay. This inverse would probably work, but I'm not gonna take it yet. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this price action right now. I want to see clean displacement with a retrace. Hold it. Did we retrace? I mean, this is a small gap. I don't really like it. On top step, so when you get a payout, you have to verify. There's so I hate top step, bro. Why would they allow you to buy? Okay, look, they allow you to buy combines, and then they allow you to activate it. Let's say you pass, they allow you to activate it for $150, but then right when you get the payout, they make you have to verify. So why would they let you buy the fucking account without verifying? Like, how can you let it waste money? Like, I just that's so stupid. Alpha at least like lets you verify before, you know. Topstep doesn't even let you do that, bro. Topstep is the worst firm in the space. I'm glad I'm not working with them ever again. I am gonna work with Alpha. I'm not gonna explain exactly how, just in case I don't know, but I will work with Alpha. I have my ways, even though I'm banned. I will end up working with Alpha because yeah, they're the best of the best. I know they banned me, but low-key that was my fault because I accidentally put my face in the frame during the KYC thing. But yeah, yesterday was probably one of the worst days I've ever had in a while because that's when I got the information that I was banned and everything. And I pretty much passed 3 accounts, and I was gonna run it. I was gonna run it up, bro. I was about to make a lot of money off of that shit, but um, I mean, it doesn't really make sense, bro. I don't think it makes much sense. Like, why wouldn't you have to like check before you activate an Express account? Like, they would dead ass let you buy Combine and then activate it, and it won't make you check until you need to get a payout. Like, so retarded, bro. I mean, that doesn't make sense in my head. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, exactly. That's what I hate about it. It's so frustrating. But Alpha Futures lets you do it right away. Like that's why I did it. I could have just I could have activated my accounts and then went to the payout, and then gotten denied, right? But actually, no, I don't know. The thing is, the only reason I got denied is because when I'm doing the KYC thing, it detected my face. Like, I handed it to my mom or whatever. Detected my face, so they were like suspicious of that. So, which is so annoying, bro. Like so genuinely frustrating. Oh, one of the worst days, bro. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm lucky gonna take it for sure. So pretty much just respected the equilibrium as well as filling in these gaps right here. And we're holding it, so logically we should continue higher off the retrace. Probably go great. No, way too soon. Or should I go break even? Oh, right here for sure. For sure, go break even right here. break even just because that's a internal high. I don't want to mess with it. All right, bang. Bang, bang, sniper again. That's me, my boy. Okay, let's see. I think we're gonna head over here for sure. That reaction on the 1 hour is super easy for a short, but we can't take anything right now. So now you can definitely take a short. You can definitely take a short here, right? Because we have the 5-minute inverge, but more importantly, we're filling in this gap right here, and then we have more importantly an unfilled 15-minute gap right here. We completely wicked off the 5-minute, respecting it because we have equal lows, equal drawn liquidity at the unfilled 15-minute gap. So I take it. I kind of know. I don't know where it stops here. I guess I'll run something like that. But yeah, super easy trade. I don't really think it's a bad trade at all. I'm gonna trail stops to this high. All right, and I'm full closing there. Just because we already filled the 15-minute, it would have hit take profit anyway. So bang, bang, bang. Trading itself is so easy. It's just a setback, bro. You know what you're doing. Yeah, I know, bro. It's super big setback though. Like really big mental like block right there. But I'm also looking into working with Take Profit Trader. They don't seem too bad. It's just I'd have to be on TradeAway and it's kind of hard to copy trade there. But they basically, I'm pretty sure they have daily payouts, bro. Like you could get a payout the first day that you're on. I don't really understand the rules too well, but you can get a payout like the first day you get your account. If you win, you can get a payout. It has to be like, I think $300. I don't know. Wear a wig, yeah. Probably at this point, that's what I have to do to look like, because they're always fucking watching me, bro. But I'll probably just cover up my cameras because they somehow just fucking always have an eye on me, bro. Shit's so stupid. But like, I gotta be honest, bro. Trading itself is easy as fuck. Like, trading is easy. And I know I just had a winning 4-0. I just went 4-0 this week, so it's easy for me to say that. But like, I don't know. Once you apply like a little bit of logic and you just simplify it, trading itself is so easy. Like it's ridiculous. I mean, I've been pretty consistently winning now for a while. I mean, if you look at my YouTube where it says I do like green, red, whenever I'm red and green, I just put it in my YouTube captions. I've been consistently green. You know, there's obviously some red days, but I've been consistently green for a bit. So it's because I've literally just simplified it and literally like you can't be a pattern trader, you know, like you can't have like a check by check and like has to do this specifically. You got to be a little bit flexible when you're trading like this. By the way, if this 5-minute gets inversed, hold on. Oh my god, that's so free. This is such a free long. Like, see, even if this doesn't work, this is such a free trade route. I don't care if it works or not because like it's such a free trade, bro. All right, we'll see if it holds though. Still holding. Crazy. I should have waited for that reaction. Oh my gosh. That's annoying. I don't know if I would have taken either of those live time. I mean, I probably would have taken the second one, but I would have had a wider stop. That's what backtesting is also kind of bullshit. Like, those are bullshit ass trades. Low key, guys. This is a trade you could definitely take right here. Actually, no, I wouldn't take that. I'd wait. Oh wow, looks like we're reversing here. Okay, I see why. I see. I wonder what's the most amount of people I've ever had in this. I know overall, bro, I had like 400. I had like 800 people. Like I checked after and it got 800 views. But like that was like after it was like live, you know. But whoa, fucking reversing again. Are you for real, bro? Okay, that's an easy. Yeah, it's easy because if we look here on the 1 minute, we filled it, and then look at that fucking dick down, bro. We're obviously fucking respecting bearishness, bro. So yeah, pretty free short, just to the next draw. And again, it doesn't work 100% of the time, but that was a good trade. Wow, what is okay? I think this is pretty inefficient price action, but I still think we're heading lower at this point, bro. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is unreal price action right here. This is like fucking Thursday and Friday price action. Once you have a model, yeah, I agree. But you don't really. The thing is, like, you don't really need like a model. You know what I'm saying? It's really just fucking look at the charts. Where do you think it's gonna go based off of what you know? Like, where do you think the market is going based off of what you see? What is clear to you, and then like try to execute off that. You know, it's yes, there are some models. Like I have some models that work, right? Like the 5 minute, the continuation and stuff like that. But I also trade just logically. If something is like looking like easy to me and obvious, like this inverse right here. So this 3 minute inverse is pretty obvious to me, but I don't have too much information here. Now this inverse, again, this is obvious to me because I have higher drawn liquidity that these highs up here, Asia highs. Where's the yes? Okay, yes, hasn't taken it. And then if you go to the 3 minute, like logically, this is why because we came down and we completely respected this 15 minute. Okay, so we're respecting the bullish PD raise at the moment, and we just ran through this big bearish 3 minute. So to me, this is logically just gonna head higher, right? It's just that simple. I don't really need to overcomplicate it. And yes, there are specific checklist models that work, right? Like I have a checklist model that works, but you can't always be a robot to it, right? Because if you see something and it looks obvious, be like, oh, it doesn't have this checklist on it. I didn't check that off. Then you're not gonna be able to take it, and you're just missing out. All right, this is a great trade. I mean, I executed it. It played out. I went break even because this is an internal high. I went break even. And we just had inefficient price action, and I got break even, which was fine. Row is not 80% win rate. So I mean, I'm not 80%, but I think it's like at 70%. I'll show you guys. I wanna get a little bit more in, but I'll show you guys. It's not bad. I promise that. It's not a bad win rate whatsoever. And also, you guys have to understand, like, I don't think anyone has an 80% win rate. Or sorry, I don't think anyone has I don't think anyone has ever backtested an 80% win rate because, first of all, when you're backtesting, your model is way less. Let me just show you my week this week, honestly. When you're backtesting, your trades are way worse. But let me just show you my past week. So we had $1,200 day on Monday, $770 day on Tuesday, $300 day on Wednesday, and $500 day on Thursday. No trades on Friday. I forgot to journalist. And so we went 4-0 that week. We had green, red, green, red, green. We went 3-2 on this week. And then this week we went 2-2. This week we went 500, 600, 400, 300. This week we went 5-0, right? And then this week was like pretty mid, 2-1. And then this one was like also pretty mid. But you can see that like overall my win rate is way better. Yeah, you gotta just use some logic, use your model, whatever. It's not that deep, bro. The obviously you need to like I think it honestly it just comes down to you being able to apply it and like identify, like A+ setups. You have to just be able to identify the A+ setups, and the best way that you can do that is just backtesting. So that's why I always like to push that backtesting is very important. Oh, I missed that trade. I did. I low-key missed that. So now I'd look for a long here for sure. Oh yeah, for sure I'd look for this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't care if this loses. I would take this 100 times. I would take this live 100%. 100%. And then low key, what do I target? Where do I target? Give stops like right here, and I'll just target like this. I'll go for like 1.5. Okay, beautiful last trade here. I think I'm targeting equilibrium. No, I'm not. I'm not targeting equilibrium. No, I am. Look. Pretty much targeting equilibrium. Okay, cool. I like this a lot. Break even. Bang. Bang. Sniper gang. Beautiful ass trade right there. This week I had like 5 and 2. If you break even, I need to work on my draw every day. If you're gonna nothing wrong, but yeah, stick to it. You went 5 and 2, 5 wins, 2 losses. That's really good. That's really good, bro. Good shit. All right, let's see if we get a displacement to this low and then get a retrace. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's P. Oh, fuck. Okay. But yeah, basically on Monday or on Sunday, or actually no, it's later today. I'm gonna make a new account on Alpha, and I'm gonna buy 3 more accounts. But before I buy accounts, I'm obviously gonna get verified and whatever, because I'm not fucking spend money if I don't know if I'm verified or not. But yeah, I'm gonna start 3 new accounts and just continue to trade that, and they should be passed in the next week or 2. All 3 accounts should be passed pretty soon, as long as I'm just following my model, because my model has a very high win rate. What the fuck did? Oh, I'm so confused. Anyways, we have a new week opening gap, right? This is Monday. This is Tuesday. This is Monday. This is a new week opening gap. Definitely gonna look for that, bro. This is clean. No, wait. This is just a new day opening gap. But 100%, I think that's gonna get filled. I'm super confident drawing liquidity here. You could enter off of just the retrade. This is choppy, but did it break it? Did it hold it? Let's see. And let me see. It held this 1 minute right here. Oh, okay. I could hit a long right there for sure. Giving it a little bit of breathing room. Again, I have a super confident draw on liquidity, so this retracement should just be a retrace. Okay, boom. Fucking sniper gang. And now this 2 minute inverse right here will most definitely be getting smacked. What else do we have here? I want to point it out. We have a really solid. Wait, we have a. Ooh. We have an unfilled. Okay, we have an unfilled 15-minute gap right there. We have. This is all LRLR right here. Let me just mark it out. If you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty simple. It's just low resistance liquidity run. That's all going to get ran. So super clean trade here. I'll just go for a 1.2. I could have tighter stops. Definitely don't need to be this aggressive. Okay, didn't work. I do think we're still going to run this LRLR if we get an inversion right here. We just wanted to manipulate the highs again. This inversion would be clean. I wonder if we have a high time frame inversion. 3 minute? Yeah, I'll take a 3 minute before, honestly. Where is it? So right here is a 3 minute inverse. Again, beautiful ass trade, bro. I love it. Taking it 100 times. I don't know if I would take this live because the risk to reward is kind of crazy, but yeah, I don't know if I would take this live. But we'll see how it plays out. I'm just kind of curious. I do like the trade. I'll personally go break even right here. Yeah, I'll go break even right there. And let's see if we get. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Oh my god, that was a banger. Banger ass trade. Fucking beautiful. Up 1,200 on the combine. I will pass it next week, I guess, if everything goes well and start building confidence. Yes, sir. That's the mentality right there. Because you can't be spending too much time on these evals. I promise, it's such a waste of time. You're barely gaining any experience when you're on an eval versus on an XFA, even if you're not making money and you're not like super profitable, you're getting the needed experience, bro, because you need that emotional experience to fucking evolve as a trader. So it's just super important that you fucking stay off the evals. Trust me, you do not want to. I got caught in one for like 6 months, more than that, honestly. I got caught in one for a while, bro. It was such a waste of time. Drop yesterday. No, I have no idea what to drop. Oh my gosh. You guys want to say something? Let me show you. The camera's low-key clean, bro. But if we go right here, got the Top Step funded. That account obviously got blown because that was a while ago. My first ever. Or wait, no, it was not. That was a recent one. What am I talking about? That was April 25. But that one got a payout. And you guys want to see the setup? I'll show you guys my setup real quick. If I can. This is where y'all are sitting right here. Keyboard, phone, me. I can't really, I want to try to move it more, but I can't. This is what we're looking at. This is my coffee, my journal, my book, everything. My bed down there. Me. Clean. I love it. Dude. Fucking my shit up, bro. All right, I gotta get back to back testing. All right. Let me just fix my shit now because it's all fucked up. Okay. All right, let's get back to it. Gotta keep back testing, keep grinding, keep fucking doing this shit. Even though I hate doing it. I used to enjoy back testing. I just don't really anymore because I mainly just do it just to, get in touch with my audience and stuff. But I do not enjoy backtesting much because, again, I know I have an extremely profitable model and everything. So, whoa. All right. We have some easy draws on liquidity today. Today is a sell day. Maybe. I don't know. Because we have a new day opening gap. I can get rid of this. But we have a new week opening gap up here, which could get filled. So we'll see if we reverse to it. That would be my only reason for a long day. But other than that, I'm pretty bearish on the day. We came up and we respected the 15-minute imbalance, and then we inverted the 5-minute. That in by itself is a good reason to go short. But I don't really like the efficiency. I would want to see price get really close to the draw liquidity before I take something. Choppy day. Go to the next day. Okay, we left the draws on liquidity down there. We still have everything intact. All my good draws on liquidity. We'll see where we want to go today. All right, we're obviously heading lower. Like, I want to look for a retracement and then an entry. 2-minute gap top right there. So I'm going to head short. Stops can just give it some breathing room. I'm just going to try to do this low. Give it like right there. All right, simple. We just basically, we retraced into this 2-minute gap and held it, and then invalidated the retracement. So we should head lower here. Bang! One candle. Let's see if we could have held even lower. I think we could. I honestly think we have lower. I think we are going to hit all these draws in liquidity if I'm being real. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Easy. We would have definitely inversed this if we were going to sweep and head higher, but we did not. We whipped out the 5-minute and validated the retrace, so we're going to head lower. Oh, yeah. Banger. Banger. I'll trade right here. And I'll go break even right here. Why not? Be safe. Sorry, I hit a banger today, so I don't need to get 2 wins in a row. Fucking break even me, bro. Got me at break even. Yeah, fuck you for that, bro. You could have just ran for me. Like, I'm going to smack a long for sure. Yeah, I'm going to smack a long because I feel like it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like hitting a long. So I'm going to hit a long. No logic, nothing. Just literally pure intuition right here. You can see we had nothing really. Have no confluences for this trade. This is just pure intuition. I'm completely joking, by the way. This is a great trade. For if you guys are confused, I was completely joking. This is a beautiful trade. We swept out like the external lows, and then we had a really nice 3-minute inversion, and we have no other high time frame inversions. So I like this, and I'll go break even right here. All right, break even there. Now we can just chill because oh my god, oh my gosh, Oh my god, there's no way that just happened. Oh my god, 2 times in a row. This fucking day should have been 3 dubs. We got literally break even and then it ran to TP twice. But we hit a banger trade today anyway, so. We're gonna run up the highs here today. I'm not gonna get an entry though. What did I say? Anyways, I don't really have any lower draws in liquidity. I mean, you know. Well, we are back inside of this big 4-hour imbalance. Low key, if we get an inverse, maybe I'll take a short, but we have to be clean, you know. It would have to be really clean. Okay, no trades. No trades for sure. I'm not gonna take anything. Not in these conditions right here. What do we got? Yeah, not much. Not much. I guess we have some draws on liquidity. Like we have like these. This is low-key liquidity pool. I don't know if you guys know what that is. The liquidity pool is just a bunch of stacked accumulation range, pretty much. So if we get a retrace into something, I'll take it. But we're really not moving too cleanly right here. Yeah, you could 100% smack this fucking. I don't usually take 15-minute inversions, but we gotta be real, bro. Like this is so clean. We gotta be real for a second, man. Come on. It's low-key, you could just say I'm taking it off of I'm taking it off of a 5-minute inversion. Whatever. Like I'm just taking this fucking trade, dude. I don't care. I don't care, bro. Like, I'll go break even right here. Bro, like we got that 15-minute inversion. Like, come on, this shit gonna smack. This shit gonna smack. Oh, bang. Bang. Fucking banger trade right there. 15-minute inversion. Oh my gosh, that was a clean ass 15-minute, bro. Wow. Let's see. Now we're finally getting the displacement I wanted. Oh my god, no fucking retrace. What the fuck is that candle, bro? How many people did we have in here? What was the max? Yeah, I don't know. Bro, I really need to run up my Discord. It's fucking lacking, bro. I need more people in there. I'm trying to build a better community. We only have a couple people. Pretty shitty ass price action right there. Yeah. I'm low-key getting pretty tired. All right. I'm gonna call it there, boys. Let's see what we had. Let's see what wherever we had. I don't think it was that good, but all right. 70% win rate, 1.2 OR, 44 trades taken, 7 break-even trades, 26 wins, 11 losses. Really not bad at all. I'll take it for that session. So yeah, I'm gonna call it there, boys. I appreciate you guys. If I continued to backtest right now, it would not be good. Like my analytics would get skewed because I'm not gonna be trading well because I'm pretty tired. But yeah, I mean, maybe I'll go live later. But I hope you guys have a great day. Be productive today. Keep God in the center of your life today. Make sure you're always thinking of God. You're always, being a godly man and good person, right? So yeah, I appreciate you guys for tapping in today. Really do. It really motivates me to see people in here. But yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.